Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Wycliffe. For those of you watching us for the first time, this is TechHood254 and I'm excited to have you here. Today I'm here to share with you a really exciting video about how you can make money online in Kenya without any money or any capital to begin with. Now I know that's a bold statement and it's something that might make you want to wonder, how exactly are we going to be doing this, or how exactly am I going to be doing this? Because most of the time people share information like this and it ends up turning out to be a scam. However, what I'm about to share with you in this video is something that you want to stay tuned all the way to the end. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, because on this channel we talk about tech, digital entrepreneurship, and innovation, and we're mostly dedicated to sharing methods that you can use as a Kenyan to start making money online as soon as today. So if you hear any external noise, please forgive me. I live in an apartment and there's a lot of construction work going on, but I'm sure that I'm going to be audible enough for you to hear me. So let's just dive right into what I have to share with you today. And before I do that, let me say one thing. Most of the people looking for methods to make money online in Kenya are really skeptical about the different techniques. And there are methods that have been mentioned a lot in the past. And basically what we're trying to do on this channel is come up with new techniques or new methods that probably most people haven't heard about or talked about, especially in the online money making space in Kenya. And so I've looked at what other YouTubers have been talking about in this space, and I haven't really heard about this being mentioned in our country. So I think it's something that you will definitely love to know about. So let's go and let's talk about this. So what I want to share with you in this video is called print on demand. Now, print on demand is where you're selling t-shirts online. And I know right off the bat, when I say you're going to be selling t-shirts online, what comes to your mind is like, wait, I thought you said this is something that we have to start with little capital. If I'm selling t-shirts online, does that mean that I have to, have some money to buy the t-shirts first? But the good thing with this method is that you're not buying the t-shirts. Print on demand is where you work together with a company online, and this company is gonna help you sell these t-shirts. They provide the ecosystem, they provide the platform, they provide the website. You don't even need your own website. So this is definitely something you need to take into serious consideration. You don't need your own website. You don't need many things. All you're gonna be doing is you're taking t-shirts and you're creating designs for them, because people like wearing unique stuff. People like wearing unique t-shirts. So a lot of times you might find people create thematic t-shirts based on the type of stuff that they like. So if you are an artist, this is the perfect place to make money, because you can easily draw something, you can easily illustrate something and put it on one of these t-shirts and upload it and wait for clients to come and buy. Now that brings me to the second question that you probably have. If I have this platform and I put this design up on the website, how exactly am I going to be creating this? And is this something I could do without any knowledge in design? Can I create this without any design knowledge? Where am I creating this at? That is simple. I'm going to leave you tools that are free down in the description box, which you can use to start creating your designs today, and you don't even have to pay money for them. They have all these tools that I'm going to be giving you have a free version that you don't need to pay for. And it's really easy. Some of these tools, one of the favorite tools that I use in designing most of my design work, anything that requires graphic design, I normally use Canva. And Canva is really easy. Even if you're a newbie, there's no way you're going to be stuck if you're using Canva. That's the one I recommend. But there are obviously other tools that you can use. Some might be better than Canva, I don't know. But I'll leave you a whole list of them that you can try out in the description box below. So be sure to check them out. Now, the other question that you probably have is, wait, how exactly am I going to get people to see my t-shirt? How do I get people to buy? And that's a good question. It's something you need to be thinking about, because if you want to make money online in Kenya using this method, you definitely need to know how you're going to be driving traffic to this platform. Aside from just the people who normally would be browsing on the platform, you want to be able to drive traffic to this platform. So what you could do is use social media. You could create an Instagram page, you could create a Facebook page, you can market on Facebook groups, you can market on YouTube, you can market on different places. And if you're doing a theme, let's say your theme is healthcare, you could create an Instagram page and talk about healthcare, and essentially just be able to slip in your t-shirt designs in there, and you can even promote the ad. Now, the best thing about this technique, the best thing about this method, something that I like with it, is that it allows you to make passive income. Now, what is passive income? Passive income is basically where you're making money while you sleep. Now, I know that that might sound like a confusing concept if you haven't heard about it before, but basically what you do is you put in some work, and what happens is once you've put in that work, it allows you to, over a period of time, basically while you do nothing. So all you do is create the t-shirts and wait and upload them to all these different websites. And here's the thing, you don't have to upload the t-shirts to just one website. You can upload them to numerous, countless websites. There are several websites that I'm also going to be leaving links to down in the description box, or I'm going to be giving you their names in the description box. Be sure to check them out. But you need to be careful. Just make sure that the website that you're using allows you to have the design in more than one platform, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, basically that's what passive income is. There are different ways to make money passively, and this is just one. Because if you have hundreds of designs, which you can make a t-shirt design really easily and really quickly, you can have hundreds of designs, and this is a method that can earn you consistently for a long period of time. And it's not just something that will earn you a small amount of money. Of course, you get what you sow, you get what you put in. So if you make like one design, obviously you're going to be making a little cash, but you're not limited to the number of designs that you can make, which is a good thing. So you can make as much money as you want. Now, how it works is the company will print the t-shirts on demand. When somebody comes to the website and makes an order, they will print the t-shirt on demand. And so that's how you are able to save money. You don't really have to source for t-shirts and have them in a large pile in your closet, at home, or somewhere in a warehouse waiting for people to buy, and that might never happen. Basically what happens is you just create a design, have it on the platform, and somebody sees the design, the company makes it on demand, and they handle the shipping. You don't even need to handle the t-shirt. You never even get to see the very t-shirt with your eyes unless you order one for yourself. So this is a really good method that you definitely want to use to make money online in Kenya. There are numerous methods that you can use to make money online in Kenya, and we're definitely going to be sharing a lot more with you. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, because it helps us show this video to many people just like you who are interested in making money online. And consider subscribing, because we have a lot more to share with you. And also share this video with somebody who you think is interested in knowing about this. And please leave us a comment down in the description, because that also helps us to share our content far and wide. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.